Imagine a student home that feels regal and is comfortable right in the heart of Chicago. At the Sutherland Chicago, this dream comes true each day. Choose from stylish 1- and 2-bedroom apartments, charming studios, and opulent non-en suites, featuring premium wood laminate floors, cool air conditioning for comfortable summers, and a laundry center for breezy chore days. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a dishwasher for easy cleanup. There's an elevator so you can skip tiresome stairs, fit in an intense workout at the fitness center, then chill with friends at the resident lounge or on-site restaurant. With bike storage and parking available, you can bring your wheels along stress-free. Your fur babies can enjoy this pet-friendly space along with you. Here's the best part. The University of Chicago and Illinois College of Optometry are just a short drive away, so your timely arrival to class is inevitable. Exploring the city is seamless with 47th Street and Calumet bus stop a couple minutes away. So, grab your spot at the Sutherland Chicago now with amberstudent.com.